Hey everyone, how's it going? My name is Henry, and in this video, I'm going to share everything you need to know about the Leadono AI app before you decide to buy it. I also have some important warnings for you, so make sure you stick around until the end of this video to avoid losing your money. First and foremost, be cautious of the website where you purchase the product. Right now, Leadono AI app is only available on its official website. To help you out, I've included the link to the official site in the video description and the first comment below. Now, let me share my experience and give you the full rundown on whether the Leadono AI app really works. What is the Leadono AI app? If you're into email marketing, you probably use an autoresponder to send emails. But the main challenge with email marketing is constantly needing fresh leads. Here is a little-known social media hack that helps you build a buyer's list for free, without paying for ads. Top companies like AppSumo and even Fortune 500 brands use this hack every day, but most people overlook it. If you ignore it, you're missing out. Leadono is the only app that allows you to build a buyer's email list for free using social media, and it even doubles your open rates and clicks without making any changes to your autoresponder. Leadono helps you find high-quality leads for your email marketing campaigns and automatically adds them to your autoresponder using its new Leadono technology, helping you generate more revenue. What's great is that all the emails you collect are verified and automatically synced to your autoresponder account. Leadono is the first ever app that can find top-quality leads from social media and sync them with your autoresponder automatically. This means you can collect emails from people in any niche who are already interested in what you're offering. Maximize your click-through rates, boost engagement by 10x, and achieve higher profits by building a high-quality buyer's email list with Leadono.